Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best Shopify apps and integrations. In this video, we'll explore essential tools that can help you enhance your Shopify store, boost sales, and streamline your operations. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to optimize an existing store, the right apps can make a significant difference in your success. Shopify apps are powerful extensions that add functionality to your store without requiring coding knowledge. First, they help boost sales by improving customer experience and conversion rates. Second, they automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing manual work. Third, they enable seamless integration between different tools and platforms, creating a connected ecosystem for your business. By selecting the right apps, you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Marketing and conversion apps help you reach customers and increase sales. Email marketing tools like Klaviyo and Omnisend let you build relationships through targeted email campaigns. Retargeting ad apps help recover abandoned carts by showing ads to customers who didn't complete their purchase. Reviews and testimonials apps build trust by displaying real customer feedback on your store. Finally, loyalty programs reward your repeat customers, encouraging them to come back and spend more. Managing inventory and orders efficiently is crucial for any store. Inventory tracking apps provide real-time stock management across all your sales channels, preventing overselling. Shipping and fulfillment apps automate the process by generating labels and coordinating with carriers. Payment processing integrations support multiple payment gateways, giving customers flexible checkout options. Order sync apps ensure that sales from your website, social media, and other channels are automatically consolidated in one place. Excellent customer service builds loyalty and reduces support costs. Live chat and chatbot apps provide instant support to customers, answering common questions automatically. Help desk systems organize customer tickets, ensuring no inquiry goes unanswered. Knowledge base and FAQ apps empower customers to find answers themselves. Multi-channel support apps consolidate inquiries from email, social media, and other platforms into a single dashboard, making it easier to manage customer communication. Data-driven decisions lead to better business outcomes. Store analytics apps track sales metrics, customer behavior, and conversion funnels, giving you insights into what's working. SEO optimization apps improve your search engine rankings, making your store more discoverable. Conversion tracking apps monitor detailed funnel data to identify drop-off points. Traffic source analysis helps you understand where your visitors come from and which marketing channels deliver the best results. Visual appeal and engaging content are essential for online success. Image optimization apps compress and enhance images for faster page loading, improving user experience. Content management apps streamline product description creation. Video and media apps let you embed promotional videos and product demonstrations directly on your store. Social media integration apps display your Instagram feed or other social channels, building social proof and keeping content fresh. Proper financial management ensures your business remains profitable. Financial reporting apps track revenue, expenses, and profit margins in real time. Accounting integration apps automatically sync your sales data with QuickBooks or Xero, eliminating manual data entry. Tax calculation apps handle complex tax compliance automatically. Invoice management apps generate professional invoices and track payment status, making billing efficient and organized. As you build your Shopify store, remember 3 important principles. First, choose the right tools that align with your specific business goals and needs. Second, prioritize integration so that your apps work together seamlessly, saving you time and reducing errors. Third, continuously track metrics and results to measure whether your apps are delivering value. Start with essential apps that address your most pressing needs, then gradually add more tools as your business grows and evolves.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.